See if there's any birds out here. I can get it close. Oh, got it too. I'm trying to straighten it out. If there's any, I can't see what the. I'm coming out here front and checking to see if there's any birds sitting in these trees. Don't fall off. That tree's gonna fall on my house. See if there's any birds in the trees. Oh, that tree's getting pretty. Any birds anywhere? Bird's nest anywhere? I don't see no bird's nest. Probably would if I could widen my screen all the way. Don't see none in them trees. I hear a hawk or a crow, whatever it is. Well, I don't see no birds. No trees. My lawn needs to be mowed. I can't mow it. If there's any birds in the trees. Yeah, from Vacation Station. I know you'll like this one, I guess. Again, even though I'm looking everywhere for a bird, I can't see because the sun's shining. I can't see my camera. I'm at my phone. Well, if y'all like this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. So, thank y'all for watching.